everyone, so I'm back after a very long time of not filming, and that's because I did not have enough storage to film on my phone. So now in today's video, I will be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Here it is. And the AirPods Pro. Let's try and get it to show. So let's start. So it came in this thin box. I know they're doing thin packaging now. You only get the cable, but you don't get the wall plug anymore, I'm pretty sure, and you don't get headphones anymore. I'm going to adjust the camera so that you can see from a better view. Okay, so here we have it. I'm going to just start peeling it open, which is very satisfying. So we're gonna just do a little peel. So here it is. Whoa. There it is, guys. So there's the phone. Guys, can you tell I've never done an unboxing video before? Okay. I'm trying to not cover the camera with my hand, basically. There it is out of the box. It's got a thing on it. So I'm gonna pull that off. Wow. Brand spanking new. Look at that. So here's how the bottom looks. This side, I've already got my fingerprints on it, but we're okay. We're gonna get that off the camera. And here's how the back looks. Yeah, guys, that's the phone. So we're gonna put that to the side for a second. And inside here, so we've got obviously the cable. It doesn't come with a wall plug anymore. And these cables are the USB-C, I believe that's what it's called. So it's kind of like the one on the laptop, I think. I've got a laptop, so hopefully it is like that. And instructions and stuff like that. Now let's turn it on. Just turn it on from the side as usual. Oh, there's a little Apple logo. Hello. So I'm gonna swipe up to open. Put in my details. Be right back. Okay, so we've just finished setting up and transferring my information. I decided not to transfer my apps and stuff because it took up a lot of storage, so we're just not going to do that. So let me just get my Face ID and open it up. So welcome to iPhone. So here it is. I actually have not tried iOS 14, I believe it's now on. Yeah, I was still on iOS 12 because I literally had no storage, like I said, to update. I know, sad, but it's what it comes with. On here, all of this. Have a quick browse. So I know this is very similar to on the Samsungs because I used to have a Samsung a while back. So I'm going to be testing out the camera. So I'm going to set you guys up and show you how that looks. Hello everyone, so I'm gonna test out the camera. Alright, so I've got camera open. I'm just gonna start screen recording down here. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here is the camera. Hi, here we are. Wow, so that's me showing myself, so let me just... Hi. Oh, well, that's clear. Good, right? That's a nice camera, I must say. So if you like taking photos, You'll like this camera. Here is the photo. I will insert the video whilst I was doing it so you can see what it looks like. So yes, nice camera, great. Now I'm going to take a video. I'm going to test the audio quality on the video. Hi, I'm testing the audio quality on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Hi! Let's try some portrait mode because I love using portrait mode on my X, which is the one I've got at the moment and filming on. So we're going to test it out on here. So that's a selfie. I don't have someone to take a photo of me right now, so we're going to take a quick mirror selfie. Okay, update. I'll insert the photos here. This portrait mode camera, way better than the X. Like, the X had a good portrait mode. Like, with the X, you can get away with taking photos and people thinking maybe you took on a digital camera, but this one, it is definitely a lot better at recognizing the layers of the portrait mode, because sometimes it would cut out pieces, or I don't really know how to explain it, I'm not professional. It's definitely a lot better at telling where the foreground and the background is and the midground. So if you like taking photos, definitely a lot better. I love taking photos. I'm doing an art and design course right now in university, so it's very convenient to have a good phone. Okay, so that's the unboxing my iPhone portion of the video done. If you'd like to see what's on my iPhone, please comment down below. I will do one, probably either way, but if you comment, maybe I will actually get it done sooner, you know. Hey guys, so I thought I'd just add the different camera zooms. So here's 0.5, here is 1, 2.5, and 12. Now we're going to go on to the AirPods Pro. So I currently have some, I had to get up and get them, but I have some Samsung Galaxy Buds, I think they're called Buds Live or something. So I got these for Christmas. Those are great. I know these came out similar time. I think this came out more recently around Christmas, I'm not sure, but we're gonna unbox the AirPods to see what they are like, because I have never tried Apple AirPods. I've always had wired headphones, or I got these now. So yeah, let's see what that's like. Also, tell me if you'd like a video comparing both of these, because I know some people might have questions whether these are better or the AirPods Pro, so I can do a video on that. I don't know anything about audio quality really, but I can just tell you as a regular human being who knows nothing really to do with specs and stuff, I can just tell you my honest opinion. So here they are. Nice little box. And then on the back, they look like that. Oh, okay, it's down like that. Very satisfying. Okay. So open it up like that. And the first thing you see, this looks like instructions, all of that jazz. And here they are in the packaging. So we're going to take those out. The bottom here we've got this, so I assume that's where the charger is. We'll get into that in a minute. So slide that out. Here they are. Very small. Also ignore my nails and the cut on my finger. Designed by Apple in California. Assembled by China. Let's open those up. So I'm going to connect them to the phone. So if I just hold this now, just open these up. It should, okay, yep, pop up. So connect. There we go. Here they are. Kara's AirPods Pro. Wow. So it shows the battery percentage of each one and how much the case is charged. Nice. So when you close that, that goes down. So here they are. A lot smaller than the last one. I know the last ones were longer. Don't mind my shaky hand. Yep. So that is the AirPods. So I'm gonna try them on to see how they look. Also, when you take them out and then you put them in there, they kind of just drop back into place. Oh, made a little noise there. All right, there. Oh, noise. I'm pretty sure the noise cancelling is on. I wonder if you're able to take that off. Kind of making my ears funny. I'm not a noise cancelling kind of person. Right, so they're in. This is how they look. I can hear my phone. It's definitely comfortable in the ear. I find Apple headphones very comfortable, like the wired ones anyways, so I guess it kind of depends on what kind of headphones you like. If you don't really like this kind of feel on the regular headphones, you probably won't like this, but I do. I feel like they're the only type of headphones that don't kind of irritate my ears. But yes, this is how they look. Very short. Hopefully don't get lost. Alright guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I haven't filmed in a while, so this was a little spur of the moment. I did not expect my phone to come today. It was supposed to come in about a week's time, but they literally sent it out the next day. So that's great. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Turn your notification bell on for when I post more videos, when that is. Hopefully soon. And comment down any video ideas you want me to do. I definitely could do some comparing these because these are very similar-ish devices. So I could compare those. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time for the next video. Bye. Doom, 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 doom.